Question 17. In a shop, candles are sold only in boxes. A box of 7 short candles costs $2.50 and a box of 5 long candles costs $3.20. Part A. Dan wants 19 short candles and 3 long candles for his lanterns. What is the least amount of money that Dan will need to spend on the candles? So for the short candles, if you take 19 divided by 7, because there are 7 short candles in a box, you actually get 2 and 5 over 7, which means that he actually need 3 boxes for the short candles. As for the long candles, since he just need 3 long candles, he just need 1 box. So altogether, this is how much he have to pay for the candles that he wanted. So we take 3 times $2.50 plus $3.20 for that 1 box of long candles, and you should get $10.70. So that's the answer for part A. Part B. Eva bought 21 more long candles than short candles from the shop. The total number of candles she bought was fewer than 50. So this is an important clue here. How much did Eva spend on the candles altogether? Since we know that she actually bought 21 more long candles than short candles, I'm going to list down the multiples of 5 because that's the number of long candles in 1 box. I'm going to list down the multiple of 5, but I'm not going to start from 5 because there should be 21 more long candles than short candles. So I'm going to start from the number 30. Alright, so part B, multiples of 5 for the long candles, L for long. So we have starting from 30, 35, 40, 45, and I'm not going to write 50 because the total number of candles she bought was fewer than 50. Now these are the few possible numbers of long candles she might have bought, and I'm going to list down also the multiples of 7, that's for the short candles, and I can start off with 7, 14, 21, etc. So if you were to take 35 long candles minus away 14 short candles, you realize that there will be 21 more long candles than short candles. 35 minus 14 equals to 21. So as such, the total number of long candles she bought was 35 and the total number of short candles she bought was 14. And the question is, how much did Eva spend on the candles altogether? So we have to find the number of boxes first. So we take 35 long candles, divide by 5, there will be 7 boxes of long candles. And let me just put L here. And she bought 14 short candles, so you divide by 7 because there are 7 short candles in the box. So she actually bought 2 boxes of short candles. So now we can find the total amount spent on the candles by taking 7 boxes of long candles times $3.20 plus 2 boxes of short candles times $2.50, and that will give you $27.40 as the answer for part B.